la.
So, what do we have here? Oh no, they are from the bank. I have to pay the bills, but I don't have any money at all. What should I do? It seems my life is over. There is no choice.
Now, stop!
Wait, I'll be there soon. Knock, knock. Hi, here's an invitation to the Squid Game. You can win $1 billion. Really?
Yes,
I want to
I want to
participate. Thanks. So let's see. Oh no, I have number 13. It is necessary to light a fire on the stove and put a saucepan there. I pour sugar inside and mix it until it all turns into liquid caramel. Now I add soda and mix it into the caramel. It starts to boil. We remove it from the fire. Now I'll pour it into the form. With the help of a cone, I'll make a small circle. Ready! It's time for the challenge. You need to carefully cut a circle out of the cookie. The main thing is to be very careful, otherwise everything will break. Almost done. Oh no! It broke! Oh, not that. And what should we do now? Will he take me out of the game? What is that sound? Are you hungry? Oh, don't kill me. I'll make a cake and milk tea for you. Okay. I'll take a bowl. Break an egg into it. Now I'll add sugar, oil, and flour. It is necessary to mix all this thoroughly. And then add Nutella to the dough so that the biscuit turns out to be chocolatey. Let's mix it up. And our chocolate dough is ready to bake. We're going to put it in a mold and sending it to bake. Just look how it rises. Ready. I take it out of the oven, put it on the board, and divide it exactly into 3 separate cakes. It's time to collect the cake. I put a little cream on the stand and put the first cake on top. Smear it with cream and put the second one. I also put cream on it and finish the design with the third cake. Now the whole biscuit needs to be covered with cream and smeared with a spatula. Look how smooth it is. And I'll start decorating with chocolate. Perfect. I'll add some flowers on top. And some chocolate balls. We'll not let the cookie go to waste. I'll use it as decoration. Everything is ready. Now I'll pour fresh milk into a glass. Throw some ice. And the remains of a cookie. The drink is also ready.
Yummy!
Well, I hope you like my cake. Wow, he's eating it so fast. Half of the cake has disappeared in seconds. He seems pleased. Wait, what are you doing? No. No, you'll have to die anyway because you failed the challenge. Wow, I love French fries and chicken burger. Oh, we need to water the flowers urgently. What a beauty! Drink flowers! Oh no! My goodies! Well, what to do? I know! I'll cook a chicken burger and fries myself! First of all, I'll measure the breading on the scales. A little more? That's enough. I'll mix it with water. And stir it. Now, I'll get the chicken fillet and take off the packaging. Oh, what a good meat! I'll take a piece and smear it with breadcrumbs. Perfect! You can put a saucepan on the stove. I'll pour flour, milk, and water. Stirring it. Just like that. Now, I'm putting dry yeast in milk and stirring it. I need flour again. This time, I'll mix it with sugar and salt. Now yeast. I'll make a second lump and mix it with the first one. It's time to put this together. Now butter and yolk. Hooray! I got the burger dough. I'll cover it with film. Let it stand for half an hour. Let's see what happened. That's what you need. Now I'll sprinkle the board with flour so that the dough does not stick. There turned out to be a lot of dough, so I'll cut off a half. I'll smear it with yolk, just like that. And decorate it with sesame seeds. Hooray! You can put it into the oven. Let's bake it. How's my meat? It's time to fry it for a burger. But first, we need to mix the flour, water, and yolk. And bathe all the pieces in it. Now we can dip it in oil. I'll turn it over and get excellent cutlets. French fries time! How great that it can be fried in the same oil! It's very fast and convenient. What a yummy thing! Hooray! The bun is ready. Now I'll cut it in half and fill it with ingredients. The sauce comes first. Smear it all over, followed by salad, a cutlet, and cheese. I love it! How about a second cutlet? And a second slice of cheese. Awesome! Look, I have a tower. Just don't fall. There is salad and ketchup left. Where without it? It looks great. Voila! Chicken burger and fries are ready. Fly in! Wow, that's awesome! Now, time to taste French fries. I'm gonna take a piece and dip it in ketchup. I'm finally full! Thank you, friends! It was great! Put likes and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of cool recipes waiting for you. I love cooking because I can't live without yummy food. Join me and don't be afraid to experiment. Write in the comments what your favorite food is. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!